Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Temidire Ababare again. Hope you guys are doing great. I'll be busy with work offline. That's why I don't come here more often. And if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, and I promise not to let you guys down. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, in this video, the tutorial is about SMM Matrix. So what is an SMM matrix? An SMM matrix is a social media tool. This software includes almost everything you need to do a social media marketing business. It has services lined up for every social media platform, and hence is a very versatile platform, be it likes, followers, views, or even general engagement or website traffic. Okay, so for you to understand better, this software allow social media marketers to monetize their service. If you are a social media that sell various kind of services for your customers, like YouTube view, likes, follower, subscriber, etc. So this software is meant for you. Okay. In January, I dropped something similar to this. That is SMM panel. I'm grateful the video went viral. A lot of people are watching the video, and each day the video keep attracting subscribers. I'm very grateful for the subscribers, for your comments and everything you are doing. Thank you very much. Okay, so I know you guys are going to like something like this. That is the reason I'm bringing this one to you. So if you have the SMM panel, you can also get this and compare the two and go with the one that work best for you. Okay, all right, so the first thing we are going to do now is to prepare our server. Before you can install this software, you need to get your hosting ready. Okay, you can install it offline, but that one is just for testing. Is for sandbox. But if you want to go live, if you are ready to do business, please make sure you get your hosting server. Okay, so once you get your hosting server, and the second step, what you need to do is to go to the video description. This particular video you are watching, go to the description. You are going to see a link to download this software. Okay, so once you download it, the software is in a zip folder, because there are a lot of file inside. I zip everything together. Okay, so you need to extract the file inside the zip file. You need to extract it. Okay, so there's no need for me to download it because I already have the software downloaded inside my PC. Okay, so I'm going to recommend this software to extract the zip file when raw. There is it. Okay, so you need the software to extract the file, and if you have other extractor, better. Okay, so let me extract it. Here is it. So I want to extract the file. Okay, so I'm going to click on extract and choose this folder I want to extract the files into. Okay, all right, so this is the folder I extract the files into. So these are the 4 files inside the zip folder: documentation, SQL, update file, and projects. Okay, so let's open this documentation folder. What is it about? All right, so this documentation folder is about this particular software. If you watch this video and maybe there's something, if something is not clear with you, so I will advise you to open this folder and double click on index. Okay, so as you can see now, this index is developed by developer of this software. So everything you need to do to install the SMM Matrix, everything you need to install it, everything is here. Everything is here. Okay, this is the server requirements. Before you can install this software, you need a PHP version of 7.4, and these are the FAQ question and answer. So this is how to install it. So that is it. So if you don't want to go through the video, or if you're having anything, even though because I notice most of the viewers, they have problem with cron jobs. So here is how to set up the cron jobs. Okay, I'm going to include the setup inside this video. Okay, so everything you need inside the documentation folder. Okay, and the second folder we have here is the SQL folder. So this is the database of the software, and this are the update file. So these are the recent updates. So this is the main project we are going to upload inside our server. All right, so let me go to second folder, the SQL. Okay, so now let's go to our server. So this is my server, and what I need to do now is to locate the database uh, menu here. I need to create a database. Here is it. Okay, I need to create a database. All right, I'm going to name it uh, SMM. Let me just name it Matrix. Okay, click on next step. All right, the step 2 is requesting for the database username. I'm also going to name it Matrix. Okay, and I'm going to set up the password. Okay, password again. All right, I'm going to click on create user. Okay, step 3. It's telling us to add user to database. So you click on all privileges, you tick on it, make sure all these privileges are all ticked. And the next thing to do is to click on next step. Once you do that, we are done creating our database. Now let's return to home. Okay, I'm going to locate the database menu again. I'm going to click on my SQL databases. Okay, so this is my database, the one I created previously. So what I'm going to do now is to open my notepad and copy the database name. The database. Now I'm going to search for the user. Make sure you don't forget your password. And if you forget your password, you can come here and change your password. Okay, so that is about database. So we are going to look for PHP my admin menu. Here is it. We click on it. All right. So what this PHP menu does is it's going to list all our database. Okay, and inside this PHP menu, we are going to open the database we created earlier. This is the database I created earlier. So you click on it. Don't forget the name of your database. Once you click on it, you now click on import. All right. So here we need to upload the SQL file in inside the SQL folder. Okay. So to upload it, you are going to click on choose file. Here is it. You click on SQL and click on install SQL, this file, and you open it. Once you've done that, you click on go. All right, import has been successfully finished. Okay, I just upload the SQL file inside my database. Please make sure you upload your SQL file. If you don't, if you don't upload it inside your database, your site is not going to come up. Okay, so now we need to go back to our own, and here we are going to open our file manager to begin the upload. Don't forget the PHP admin is meant for us to choose the database we create and upload the SQL file, while the file manager is where we are going to upload our project file. Okay, so you choose the domain you are going to upload the project file inside. Okay, it might be your main domain or your subdomain or your add-on domain. Okay, in this video tutorial, I'm going to be uploading the project file inside my subdomain. Here is it, script.temidrialbarre.com. So you double click. Here I'm going to upload. All right, I'm going to click on select file. Click on the project file. This is one I'm uploading to my file manager. Don't forget, you select it and start uploading. So my project file will start uploading. We need to give it time to upload. All right, this is it's about to finish. Okay, this is 100% now. You have done uploading the project file. So the next thing to do now is to click on this, go back to the click on this. It's going to take you back to your folder. All right, so this is the file I just upload now. So the next thing to do now is to right click on it and you extract. So it's going to ask you the folder you want to extract the file. So this is the folder I want to extract the file. Okay, so if you are extracting inside your main domain, you are going to clear this. You're going to clear this, but because this is my subdomain, I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, so I want to extract the project folder files inside this folder, inside this subdomain. Okay, so you click on extract. Make sure you extract it. Okay, so it's extracting now. All right, so I'm done extracting all the folders. Once you see something like this, so your file have been extracted successfully. So the next thing to do now is to you can leave this project zip file or you can delete it. But here I'm going to leave it. I might need it later. Okay. So the next thing to do now is to you are going to put your it might be your main domain or your subdomain. So you call it out. Let me check if there's install folder here. Let me try it out. Let me enter. Okay, something is wrong somewhere. Okay, maybe I should go and input this. Okay, uh, as this case may be now, as it is now, let me go to the documentation file. That's the reason I told you it's important to visit this documentation file in case if you encounter any problem. Okay, so I'm going to find solution here. Okay, this is it. So once you enter the domain you want to install the software. So you are going to put install at the back. So let me try it. All right, see now. So it has come up. It works. So the next thing to do now is to click on check requirements. If you meet the requirements, okay, yes, I meet the requirements. So the next thing is to, if you don't meet the requirements, you're not going to see this red, you're not going to see this green color. It might be red, but I made the requirement, that is why it's check mark everything. So the next thing to do now is to click on check permissions. Okay. So what they're telling me to do now is to, see this folder. Okay. Let me go to my folder. The folder, I installed this script. So this is the folder. Don't forget. So what they're telling me here is to change the permission for this particular one. That is bootstrap cache. So let me look for bootstrap cache folder. Okay. Okay. This is the permission it is before. The permission, the default permission, the bootstrap stroke cache folder is 0755. Let me check. 0755, but they are telling me to change it to 0775. Okay, so I need to change it here from 0755 to 0775. Once you change it, click on save. Go to the next one, storage app. All right, we just changed bootstrap cache now from 0755 to the required permission. Here is it. I've changed it. So the next one is storage app. We also need to change it from 0755 to 0775. All right. Let me search for storage app. Okay, here is it. Okay. I'm going to change it to 15. Okay. So the next one is storage framework. And the last one is storage logs. Save. All right. Let me refresh it. It has been changed. All right, now we need to check again by clicking on check again to check if, okay, so everything I did there is perfect. As you can see now, everything I've changed to green. So the next thing now is to click on setup product. Okay. So inside the purchase code there, just put anything you like. Okay. Just put anything you like. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here we go back to our notepad and copy the database name. We paste it, the username, copy it, the password, copy it. There's no need of touching this database host and the port. So the next thing to do now is to click on proceed. Okay, so the email feed is required. So you can put anything there. You can put your email here. Proceed. All right. So our installation is successful. So let's continue and go back to our home page. Wow. Here is our home page. Here is our beautiful home page. So this is how your home page is going to look like once you have successfully installed the script. So these are the pages. So these are the services. There's no any service here yet. So this is the FAQ page. If you have any FAQ that you want your customer to know, like question you know your customer are going to ask you, so you just put everything there. Okay, so now we go into the admin panel. So this is the login. Let's check the login first. The login and register. So this login and register is for your customer to log into their account. It's for customer. This is where your customer are going to log into their account. And if they want to create an account, so this way they're going to create the account. Okay. So now I want to access the admin panel. So if you want to access the admin panel, after your main domain, let me try splash admin at the back if it's going to go. Okay, it went through. So this is the default admin URL, your website name .com or or any TLD stroke admin. So the default username and password is admin. Okay, username is admin, password is admin. So you can change it later. So let me sign into the backend and see how the dashboard looks. Okay, this is how the dashboard is going to look like. All right, so something just came up now. When I log into the backend, so this is the pop-up I'm seeing. Update provider status, job setup instruction to sending email and SMS and updating provider order status automatically. You need to set up cron job in your server. Make sure your job is running properly. We insist to set cron job time as minimal. Okay, so they're telling us to set up our cron job. Okay, turn off. They're telling us to set up our cron job so that everything should go in order. Okay, so to set up your cron job, all you need to do now is to go to your hosting panel. You scroll down and locate your cron jobs. This is the cron job. You click on it. So yeah, okay. They're telling us here to set up our cron job time as minimum. So they are trying to tell us here that we should we insist to set the cron job time as minimum. Okay, so to set up this cron job now, all we need to do now, command for this email. The first cron job here is to click on this copy button. Once you click on it, go to your cron job. So you're going to select once per 5 minutes. Okay, so you paste it here. So you click on add new cron job. All right, yes, that one is successful. Command for other status. Here, you click on it to copy it. Go back. Here, choose twice per hour. So you paste it here. Add new cron job. So that is it. So to turn off this pop-up, go to basic control. So what is what what this one is about is, if you don't want to see this pop-up again once you log in, so it's to go to this basic control and disable it. So let me check it. I'm going to open it in a new tab. So I think this is where you need to switch it off. Okay, off. Okay, I've saved it. So I'm going to exit it. So here is your That's your admin dashboard. Okay. So this is how your admin dashboard is going to look like. Here, add services. I want to add a service there. Okay, let me just name it. Okay, I think I need to create a category first. Let me click on category. Yeah, so let me name this as social media. Or let me change it. Let me change it to, let me rename it to another name. Let me change it to Facebook. Let me add another category. Shit down. Okay, so let me add. So I'm going to add new service here. Let me just say Facebook likes. So, this is the title name from the category I create. So because Facebook like is under Facebook or mentor. Okay, so this is the amount, minimum amount, maximum amount. Let me set it to 2 and 5. Rate per 1,000. So it might be, let me say 50. This is just an example, okay? Okay, they're asking type and details. Okay, maybe manual or API. So they're asking you if it is going to be via API or manually. So if you have the API ready, so actually what this API really mean is like as a starter, you might be new to this game, might be new to this service. So they might add the big player up there that you need to integrate with. So the big player, what they do is they are going to give you their API. So you integrate your system to their API. Okay. So that is how it's going to work. So the big player, they are the one that they'll be the one doing the job for you, like the Facebook like, and it's going to be automatic. Okay. So if you have someone that's if you have a company that offer these same services and they have API, so this is when this API is needed. And if you're just starting, if you don't have anybody to do that for you, or you want to be doing the Facebook like manually, so you're going to choose this. Okay. So that is what this API is all about. So I'm going to choose manual right now. No, let me just switch it off. Click on save. Let me add another service. Twitter retweet. So I'm going to choose Twitter as category. Let me pin price to be 225. So all these figures are just for testing purposes. So you can fill in your price later. So I'm going to save it again. Oh, sorry. Let me click on, let me switch this on. I'm going to save it. Oh, sorry. Okay. I've been able to save that. So let me go and check the services I just saved now. Okay, let me go to the service again. I want to check the services menu if everything I save here is going to reflect. Where is it? Okay. So these are the services I just created and it shows up here. So this is it. All your services are going to be listed here. All right, let me go to the next one. All right, so this one is API provider. Okay, I think the way this one is going to work now, to I'm going to record a separate video for these API providers. Okay, so I'm going to search and create lists of API providers, and I'm going to show you how you're going to be adding their services to your dashboard. So this one is for another video, this API provider. So I'm going to leave it for now. So all your users are going to be saved here. Any customer that register your your platform, you're going to see them here. So here is it. Okay, let me go to other. Okay, so all your sales, transactions, and all others. Anybody that order your service here, so it's going to be recorded here. So that's why different you have the awaiting payment, pending processing, completed payment here, refunded here. So inside this manage all users. Here all your registered customer will be all their profile will be displayed here. Now we don't have any data now. So once they start to register on your platform, you start seeing them here. So that is what all user is all about. Inside is send email. Okay, so inside this send email now, like if you have announcement for your register members, so you're going to you're going to send them message using this email. So you compose your email from here, and once you click on send, all your registered users are going to receive your email here. So here, commission settings. So this software has a referral module. So you can start referring people to your platform, or your users, your customer can start referring people. So to refer, once they refer customers, any of your user that refer customers, so they're going to start is they're going to start receiving commissions. Okay, like here, upline deposits. Like if a user refer another user, and the service that user the refer is going to pay for, let's take for example, maybe the service is $5. Okay, so once the person they refer click on that link, and the person they refer was able to register and fund his or our accounts with the service you are selling, be it $5. So you are going to set the commission. You're going to set the commission the person they refer, as in the person that refer the referrer are going to set a commission the referral is going to earn from that $5. So that's what the referral commission mean. So once you click on generate, it's going to give you a link. So you as the admin, so you set up the level here inside this set level now. So you can set how many uh, person they can refer with just one link. So for example, if you set 10 here as level, so any link the user share with other user outside, so with that link they can only use the link 10 times. Okay, so let me test something there. Let me save this. Let me put 10 here. Oh, okay. All right. So there's a mistake in what I just said now. So this level now is the way this one work is that, I put 10 here and it has generated 10 level for me. Okay. So the way this work as a matrix. Okay, it work as a matrix. Like the person in level one, so you set the amount that person is going to earn. Once that user has been upgraded to level 2, so you can start increasing it level by level. So this is how it works. Okay, that's how it works. So the referral work by level. So it's a matrix. Okay, so let me go to, payment method. Okay, so this is the payment gateway we have here. These are the default payment gateway. We have different payment gateway here. We have Stripe, Casa, PayPal, payment here, Screen. We have Authorize. We have Paystack to check out. So these are the payment gateway we have here. So you can disable it if you like. Anyone you're not using, you can disable it. Okay. So another one we have here is manual gateway. So you can choose to accept payment from your customer manually by inputting your bank account details. Yeah, this is bank transfer. So you can input your bank account details. So once you input your bank account details there, so your members pay you for your service via your bank. So once they pay via bank and you confirm it, so you activate their account. So this deposit request. So these are pending payments. Like anybody that choose to pay you via deposit, once you confirm that person, so you can change the status of the payment from pending to completed. Okay, so that is what payment pending is all about. And payment log, this payment log is going to display all the logs of payments you receive. So under these transactions, So you're going to see all your transactions here. All is going to display here. And support tickets. Inside from the user dashboard, your users, they can open a ticket. Maybe if there's something that is not working and they need to contact the admin, so they can just create a ticket. So once they create a ticket, so you're going to receive a notification here. This 0 is going to turn to 1. And once you click on it, it's going to take you here. You're going to see all ticket here. So the tickets, you're going to have an open ticket, close, and answer ticket. So this is it. Open ticket are the ticket that will be open. Once you open it, the status is going to change in the user dashboard that you have opened it. And once you close the ticket, it's going to automatically change. Okay. So it's just like an email. Once you receive an email, once you reply, you're going to see the reply icon there. And once you open the email, so some sender do receive email that has been opened. So under the subscriber list, so under this subscriber list is, let's go to the front end. So this is the front end. Anybody that like to receive a newsletter from you, once they put their email here and subscribe, so you're going to see their email here. They're going to be your subscribers. In case if you need to send a mail, if you need to send newsletter to your subscribers, so this is how you're going to do it. You're going to see list of your subscribers here, and once you click on send email, so you'll be able to create a newsletter and send email to all your subscribers. All right, so if you need to change anything, in your website, basic control, okay. So if you need to change the website name, so this is where you're going to change the website name. If you need to change the color, you're going to change it here. The time zone, let me change this to my country time zone. Africa. Okay, Lagos. So let me change the currency to NGN. And let me change it to my currency. Okay. Change it to my currency. So you can also do that as well. You can change it to your currency. So the default currency there is USD. So let me check if it's going to reflect here. Wow, 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 wow. Man, I think I love this script. I love it. I love this script. It's friendly. Not like others. Some other scripts, their default currency is USD, but now you can change it to any currency and it's going to reflect. So I just change it to my country currency now and it reflects. So I think I love this script. It makes sense. Okay. So that is about basic settings. Color. So here is the color. If you want to change the color of your website, change it there. You plug in configuration. Okay. So this particular plugin is a live chat plugin. Okay. So it's easy to set up. It's very easy to set up. So once you click on it, so the configuration we have here is this live chat. We have Facebook Messenger. We have reCAPTCHA to protect your site from boot, and we have Google Analytics. So they are very easy to set up. So once you click on it, you're going to see a step-by-step configuration. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, I just want it to be minimal. Okay, so you can do that on your own. So let me go to another notice. So if there's anything you need to see, or if there's anything you need your members to see, like if you want to give them notice like a pop-up, if you want anything, if you are trying to like address them or pass an information to them, if you want to send them an email, so you can just create a notice. So once they log in, they're going to receive a notice. Maybe you are increasing your price or anything, so you can send them notice and it's going to come up like a pop-up notice. So that is what the notice is about. So this is email settings. So let's go to the email control. Okay, so this is the email control. So this one is also easy to set up. If you don't know how to do that, so this is a video tutorial. Once you click on this video tutorial, so it's easy to do it. Okay, let's just take for example this email setup. You want your email to be functioning. Your from email, you put this as your domain email. Okay, let's take for example info at temidireabobare.com and put your name here, temidireabobare, and the domain name is your domain name. You change it to your domain name. Okay, so here let me go to my email configuration. So you are going to see your configuration inside your email panel. Okay, this is my email. Once you click on email, okay, so you are going to choose your email port. You choose the port of your email. If it's 465 or 587, so you choose the encryption method. If it's SSL, you put the username and password. So once you do that, you set up the template and you save it. So if everything is correct, anytime you send that email, your members are going to receive the email. Just make sure you put in your email username and your password here and save it. And also make sure your encryption method is is correct. Some execution method is a TLS, while some is SSL. Okay, so this is template. So these are your templates. You can adjust it. You can adjust it. You can edit and adjust it to your taste. So let me go to SMS control. I love this script so much. Love it. It has many features and is seamless. It's easy. All right. So this is your SMS module. So yeah. So for you to enable an SMS on your platform, like if you want your members to receive SMS notification, so you need to enable this SMS. Okay, so like maybe anything, maybe they just make payments or they just withdraw and you want them to start receiving SMS on notification about their account. So you need to configure the SMS settings. So we have different bulk SMS provider. We have Twilio, we have Nesmo, we have various, we have different, we have a lot of them. So anyone you feel like using, so you can use anyone. So as you can see, they all varies. Their price are not the same thing. So you can go for the one you can afford. Okay. If it's Trilo, if it's Nesmo, if it's Infobip, so anyone you can afford, just go for it. So this is SMS template. Yeah, so you can edit the template to your taste. If you don't like what you are seeing there, edit it. So this is push notification. So to set it up, read this instruction and watch this video. And you can also create a free API account here. So this is the template. I love this script, man. I love it. The script is loaded. So this is the template. So you can also edit it and change it to your own taste. If you don't like the write-up you see there, you can change it. So let me go to manage language. Okay, so this script supports different type of files in various languages. So if you're not an English speaking person, so you can change the language here. You can change it if you are Spanish, if you are Hindu, if you want the site to start displaying your language, if you are not comfortable with English, so you can change it. If your language is not listed here, so you can click on add new language. So okay, so you choose your country here, you choose your language. As you can see, we have different language here and choose. All right, so this is the team setting, manage team. I think the default thing we have here is orange color. Okay, this is pink color. If you don't like this color, you can change it here. Okay, this is default one we have. So if you want to change it to white or blue or black, so let me change it to purple. Let me activate it and check my front end. Okay, successful. Let me load it here. Yeah, as you can see now, it has changed. It's changed. So that is about the theme. Okay. So let's go to the logo. So this is the site logo. This particular one you are seeing there. So if you want to change it, come to this place, the main logo. So and if you want to change the footer logo, this one, come to this place. If you want to change this particular favicon, this is where you're going to change it. Okay. So manage breadcrumb. What is a breadcrumb? Let's go to services. So it's supposed to be here. There's an image that's supposed to be here. The breadcrumb. So to change it, just click on this place to upload it. So that is breadcrumb. So this is manage content. All right. So this is the content about us. So if you want to change any content inside any of the page, so just go to the page you want to change the content. If you want to change it to your own taste, so you go to any of the page. As you can see now, we have different page. We have the home page, we have the services, FAQ, blog, contact. Okay, so if you want to change any of the content inside this page, so you look for the page you want to change the content from. So let's take, for example, I want to change content for the about us, SMM Matrix. So if you want to change the title, let me just cancel. Let me change it to my own. Let me save it. So let me refresh. Right, this is it. So it has take effect. It has changed. We help you grow your business via our SMM service. So that's about your content. So let me go to content settings. Let me go to about us. Okay, okay, amazing work. So this particular one you are seeing here, so it's under the content settings. So if you want to change it to anything, so you can just come here and change it. And if you want to add new, so click on new. Okay. All right. So I won't be able to tell you everything to do here. Okay. So I'm going to be ending this video. So this is going to be the end of this video. And please, I notice a lot of people are just coming to my channel to just watch the video and go. Almost 96% of people that come to my channel, they just come to tap to download without subscribing. Please, I beg you, in whatever you believe in, please don't just come and watch my video. Please subscribe to my channel, because once you subscribe, once I start seeing growth, so that is what is going to motivate me to do more video, because I have a lot of software in my arsenal, but what I'm seeing, like 96% of people coming to my channel, they don't subscribe. So it doesn't motivate me. Please help this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, okay? So that you can start seeing a lot of freebie, okay? I still have a lot of SMM software, even though WhatsApp automation, a bunch of it to release. So please motivate me. Don't let the spirit die, okay? So please, if you find the video useful, please subscribe, comment, share, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.